Hi, this is Teacher Jerry Ajava again for Campus Journalism tutorial video, and this time we will be talking about the format in writing the editorial. What is an editorial? An editorial is an article that states the newspaper's stance on a particular issue. Basically, it is a persuasive essay that offers a solution to a problem. In the editorial, you must have an answer. Before you leave, before you end, you must provide an answer. Then the editorial is the newspaper's, the organization's opinion or stance on a particular issue. It's not just the idea or opinion of the editorial writer or of one person. It's the idea of everyone, the editorial board and staff. Now here is our editorial robot. Let's call this the Eddie. Okay, you have there, of course, the body, the neck, the head, the neck, the body, the two hands, the two legs. Now in your intro, you have there, you're going to present the problem or the situation. Then in the neck, take a stand. On the body, you have to have at least 3 reasons for your position, for your stand. Reason 1, reason 2, reason 3. Now for every reason, you should have to provide, on the left hand, you should provide evidences for all your 3 reasons or 3 points. Then, before you end, make sure to oppose. You have to oppose the viewpoints, but then you have to rebut or kill the opposition, because this will add credibility to your article. Then, before you end, you have to present a logical solution or an answer. That's what I said. And then, of course, you conclude by giving the recap. You have to recap the staff stance. Okay, let's go through that with an example, and here is our situation. This is a League Town High School located in West Texas, has 700 students enrolled in grades 9 to 12. Now, every year in May, the school hosts an award ceremony during the day to honor particular students. Usually, about 200 to 250 students earn honors every year. The ceremony takes about an hour and a half, and the entire school attends. Last year, several students had to be escorted out of the gym for disruptive behavior. This year, Principal Flor Jimenez proposed moving the award ceremony to the evening so more parents and community members can attend. Only a handful of parents attended the assembly last year. Now, several teachers complained that moving the ceremony to the evening is not fair to them because they do not receive extra pay for working extra hours. The Parent-Teacher Association President Linda Fowler said she supports the move because it will allow parents to see their children receive their awards. Now, Principal Jimenez said she will speak with parents, teachers, and students before making her decision. You are writing for the next issue of the press, which will be distributed Tuesday, March 9. So we will be making an editorial for this. Okay, let's start with the head. The head of our editorial, that's our intro. 1 paragraph only, that's where you're going to present the problem or situation. We can do this by giving the news peg and then your reaction. For example, as a result of last year's disruptive behavior and at the request of several parents, Principal Flor Jimenez proposed moving the end of the year award ceremony to the evening. That's where you you presented the problem or situation, the news peg. Let's go to the neck of the editorial. This is where you write your stance, your opinion, your position. Take a stand. Or you can have, what's your opinion? What's your reaction? Do you agree or disagree? Are you for or anti? Example, the evening is the perfect time for the award ceremony. Now let's move on to the body of our editorial. This is where you have to reason out why you say yes, why you disagreed, or why you agreed. So you have 3 reasons. Reason number one for position, reason number 2, reason number 3. Give 3 reasons why you are taking your stand. This is numbered here, but in the paper, they should be in paragraph form. So 1, no loss of class time for an award ceremony, and of course you have to uh, expand that, elaborate. 2, only interested students would attend, the disruptive ones would stay home. 3, more parents and community members could attend an evening ceremony. And of course, for every paragraph, for every reason, for every opinion, you should have to back it up with facts or evidences. Okay, the other arm, an arm of our editorial. This is where you write, support your opinion by facts, by giving evidences for all your 3 points. Example, this is where you are going to support your arguments with evidence and examples. Your English teachers call this elaboration or explanation. Only a small portion of the student body win awards, but all students attend the ceremony. If the ceremony was in the evening, no students would lose valuable class time to sit and watch others receive a recognition. That time could be used for preparing students for semester exams and end of course exams. The other arm, this is where you're going to present the opposing side to add credibility. So what are the strongest points of the opposite side? Those who disagree to your point. Opposing viewpoints are rebutted. Opposing viewpoints are rebutted, so you shut down the opposition. You kill them, kill their ideas. Opponents of the move say the audience would be too small. But a small audience is easier to control and more intimate for the students. A smaller audience also means that the ceremony could be held in the acoustic-friendly auditorium instead of the gym. Now in the leg, before you conclude, you have to present a logical solution, specific solutions. The legs of our editorial, if you're going to complain about something, that means you must have a better way of doing it. Example, now this proposal is a good one. Principal Jimenez is looking for feedback. Students and faculty should tell her they support this change to make this year's ceremony better than ever. That's when you have to also recap the staff stance. So the stance is being repeated. So this proposal is a good one. Earlier, it was mentioned that it's the perfect. So perfect, good. That they all mean that you agree. Okay, I guess I have to end it there. Thank you so much. God bless you on your writing journey.